Welcome to Animal Channel. In today's episode, we will count down the top 5 most incredible animal attacks. Animal attacks are a brutal yet fascinating part of nature, but some attacks are incredible. Here are the top 5 most incredible animal attacks. 5. Golden eagle versus goat. High up in the Taurus Mountains, goats live a peaceful life. That is, until a hungry golden eagle shows up. The eagle takes to the sky like a fighter jet and locks in on its prey. The goats scatter and try to escape. It drops out of the sky with incredible speed and accuracy and grabs the unsuspecting goat with its massive, powerful claws and lifts it with air delivery to a hungry chick waiting in a nearby nest. Four. Leopard versus impala. A hungry leopard spots a potential meal, impala gazelle. These fast food targets are not an easy meal to bag. But the leopard is cunning. It climbs up a nearby tree and waits patiently. Impala gazelles gather under the tree to eat the fallen fruit. Just what the leopard has been waiting for. It waits for the right moment and drops 50 feet straight onto the unsuspecting impala's back. The impala puts up a fight, but it's no match for this leopard, and it ultimately gives in to its fate. Three. Lion versus zebra. A lioness is prowling the savannah looking for its next meal. It spots a zebra and prepares to attack. Zebras are powerful and dangerous, known for killing lions with a powerful back kick. But this hungry lioness has only one thing in mind: eating. She attacks the zebra with incredible acrobatic skills, kills it, and gets right down to business. 2. Crocodile versus wildebeest. On the banks of the Mara River, one of nature's most incredible attacks is about to play out. Driven by thirst, wildebeests gather on the banks of the river. Just what the crocodiles have been waiting for. With incredible stealth, the crocodile sneaks right up to the unsuspecting wildebeest. It bursts out of the water with incredible speed and force, grabs the first wildebeest it gets a hold of, and drags it underwater to seal its fate. 1. Fish versus bird. In the peaceful tropical coral reefs of Seychelles Islands, one of nature's most incredible animal attacks is about to play out. This cute turnbird is minding his own business, enjoying the weather and flying peacefully in the wind. But a giant trevally fish is about to crash the party. It leaps clear out of the air to snatch the bird and make it to the #1 spot of incredible animal attacks.